Hey guys, this is Dan, and let's make millions. Today we're going to look at 10 stocks that are on the riskier side. If you have an overwhelming desire to do a bit of gambling with the current volatility in the market, then here's a great chance. These stocks carry some risk, but have quite substantial upside in both the short and long term. Let's dive in. Number 1, VEON Limited, ticker symbol VEON, is at a 45% discount from their 3-month high, and their dividend is currently yielding 17.61%. VEON Limited is a multinational telecommunications services company headquartered in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. It predominantly operates services in the regions of Asia, Africa, and Europe. It is the 9th largest mobile network operator in the world by number of subscribers, with 214 million customers. Number 2, BlackRock TCP Capital Corp, ticker symbol TCPC, is at a 60% discount, and their dividend yield is currently at 23.49%. BlackRock is an externally managed specialty finance company focused on middle market lending. BlackRock's target investments are generally in companies with established market positions, proven and differentiated products, and strong regional or national operations. Number 3, MPLX, ticker symbol MPLX, is at a discount of 51.9%, and their dividend is currently sitting at 21.98%. MPLX is a diversified, growth-oriented company whose goal is to own, operate, develop, and acquire midstream energy infrastructure assets. They are engaged in the gathering, processing, and transportation of natural gas, as well as refining, logistics, and fuels distribution services. Number 4, Energy Transfer LP, with ticker symbol ET, is at a discount of 57.7%, and their dividend is currently 22.3%. Energy Transfer has one of America's largest energy portfolios, with assets reaching coast to coast, covering 38 states and an international office in Beijing. Their core operations include transportation, storage, and terminaling for natural gas, crude oil, refined products, and liquid natural gas. Number 5, TCG BDC Inc., ticker symbol CGBD, man that's a lot of letters, is at a discount of 59.6%, and their current dividend is 28.19%. The company is an externally managed specialty finance company focused on providing flexible financing solutions to middle market companies primarily located in the United States. They focus on companies backed by private equity sponsors across a variety of industries that exhibit defensive niche strategies and have sustainable leading market positions. Number 6, Hogue LNG Partners, ticker symbol HMLP, is at a discount of 66.5% and is yielding a dividend of 32.9%. Hogue is a liquid natural gas company that operates, acquires, and stores liquid natural gas. Number 7, New York Mortgage Trust, ticker NYMT, is at a massive 78% discount and is therefore yielding an enormous dividend of 59.7%. New York Mortgage Trust is an internally managed REIT which invests in residential mortgage loans, including loans sourced from distressed markets, multifamily commercial-backed securities, direct financing to owners of multifamily properties through mezzanine loans, and preferred equity investments. Number 8, Chimera Investment, ticker symbol CIM, is at a discount of 71.7% and is yielding a dividend of 30.77%. Chimera Investment Corporation is another internally managed REIT founded in 2007 and headquartered in New York City. Their primary investment focus is on residential mortgage loans, asset securitization, and mortgage-related securities. Number 9, Vermilion Energy Incorporated, with ticker VET, is on sale by 76% and is pumping out a dividend of 54.11%. Vermilion is an international energy producer that seeks to create value through the acquisition, exploration, development, and optimization of producing properties in North America, Europe, and Australia. Their business model targets annual organic production growth, along with returning capital to shareholders. Vermilion is targeting growth in production primarily through the exploitation of light oil and liquids-rich natural gas in Canada and the United States, the exploration and development of high-impact natural gas opportunities in the Netherlands and Germany, and through oil drilling and workover programs in France and Australia. Number 10. Chemtrade Logistics Income Fund, ticker CHE.UN.TO, is at a discount of 59% and is yielding 13.07%. Chemtrade operates a diversified business providing industrial chemicals and services to customers in North America and around the world. Chemtrade is one of North America's largest suppliers of sulfuric acid, spent acid processing services, inorganic coagulants for water treatment, sodium chlorate, sodium nitrate, sodium hydrosulfate, and phosphorus pentasulfide, and a whole bunch of other things from the periodic table. Don't forget to always do some research and look into stocks that speak to you. If you want to learn more, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. That does it for today. This has been Dan. Thanks for watching, and stay smart.